What's up everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. We're going to be taking a look at one of the fastest growing GameFi tokens in the industry. Now we're going to be giving an update on PIKAMOON as they have just launched their Pika hub, which allows staking on their platform, which is only going to increase the number of holders for this token as they are earning an APY by holding. Now if you enjoy this type of content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future content. And also, make sure to check out the video on the end screen. I just posted a video yesterday talking about the altcoin market and where I think this is heading, right? We've seen a lot of movement on Bitcoin. We just had the Ethereum ETF approved. And now we're going to start seeing a transition into altcoins. We're going to be looking back maybe in 6 to 12 months where you cannot believe some of these cryptocurrencies we're trading at. Some of these have very small market caps, right? Only $20 million. Some of these could easily get into a $1 billion market cap, which is massive returns. And so definitely make sure to check out that video as well. And so let's go ahead and jump right into the video here. If you're interested in signing up for a different platform, you can check out MEXC, where you can leverage trade up to 35 different cryptocurrencies. And so if you're focusing on Bitcoin or on Ethereum and are bullish on the entire market or bearish, you can long or short different cryptocurrencies. And so definitely make sure to check that out and sign up using the link underneath the video. And so let's go ahead and check out PIKAMOON here. We can see this is currently trading at 0.00099, so just about 0.001 there. And we can see this is only trading at a $17 million market cap. And so there's a lot of room for growth in the GameFi narrative, right? As I mentioned, the altcoins are going to come back around. We're going to have narratives that start heating up. GameFi is going to be one of those narratives, and I think PIKAMOON is definitely going to be one of those leaders with the largest gains. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the chart here. Since this launched back in March, we can see this really has been selling off, right? A lot of the people that got into the pre-sale might be able to sell here, and now we are getting back down to where it launched here. And this could be a bottom for PIKAMOON as well as they start launching their staking. And then they also have an NFT program that they're going to be launching as well that I'm going to be talking about in this video. And so let's go ahead and check out their trailer here that was just launched the other day. And so you can see right there the amount of dedication and time that is going into this game. Now, out of all different GameFi projects that I have seen out there, this is definitely one of the best. And so I think there's a ton of potential for PIKAMOON moving forward as they continue to implement these different strategies to continue to increase the price of PIKAMOON. And so we can see here, as I mentioned, staking has gone live on Pika Hub, where you can earn up to 20% APY on the direct staking Pika pool. And so if we go ahead and take a look at that here, we can see this is their Pika Hub here, and this is the staking. So right now we can see that the total volume locked on Pika is about 2.5 million. The current market cap of PIKAMOON is around 17 million. And so this is more than 10% of the tokens that are circulating currently that are currently locked. And so this is very bullish for the Pika token. We can see right now, if you are staking, you can stake different balances and then you can earn different APYs based on the duration here. And so you can stake from 1 month to 12 months. Earning 1 month, you can get a 1% APY currently. For 3 months, you can get a 3% APY, and then we can see it continues to increase up to about 13% APY for staking PIKAMOON on their platform. And so this is the only area you can stake. You can also stake here using the liquidity pool for UniSwap, and so that is another option as well. And you can see there is a much higher opportunity of earning a higher APY. And so let's go ahead and check out some other news as well here for PIKAMOON. As I mentioned, they have launched their Pika hub here. There's going to be other things that are launched on here. They're going to have staking, as we just talked about. They're going to have a marketplace. They're also going to have a leaderboard for their game. They're also going to have rewards and a bug bounty here as well. And so they're going to continue to add to this platform. And so this is something that is very bullish for PIKAMOON moving forward as they continue to build and release these trailers that look very promising for the game. Now, as I mentioned, in addition to the staking, they also have Pika NFTs that are coming here soon. And so the way that they are making you get these is by holding the Pika token. And so after June 30th here, the 3 months following that, they're going to have a random snapshot that will take place in order to record each presale participant's respective Pika holdings. And so after June 30th, they will randomly have a snapshot between June 30th and then 3 months after that. And so they're not telling you exactly when that is going to be. And so that encourages you to continue to hold more and more Pika, as this could earn you more NFTs. And so they have the staking, which has 2.5 million of Pika currently locked. And then they also have this going live here after June 30th, where a random snapshot will be taking place for the NFTs. And so this could be very bullish as people are starting to hold on to Pika and they are continuing to build. This is definitely something that I'm going to be paying attention to, especially as I mentioned, altcoins are going to get a lot of attention. Now, I don't think a lot of people believe this. It's hard to really understand what is going to happen to the altcoin market until we are in the middle of it. Right? And so you want to buy into these projects when no one's talking about it, right? The general public is not talking about altcoins yet. We're not seeing altcoins on the news yet. We are getting a lot of discussion around Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then this money is going to start flowing through altcoins when people start making 5 to 20x returns. That's when people are going to start paying attention. Now, at that time, it is going to be too late, right? I'm not saying that there's not going to be opportunities out there to make 5 to 10x returns still. However, if you're able to get into some of these projects at these early stages before they get a lot of attention, before these narratives really start taking off in the GameFi industry, that is when the best gains are going to be made. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future content. And as always, this is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.